Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a directory in CMD. All right, as you can see here, we are currently on the C drive. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and type in CD, which basically means change a directory. All right, for example, I'm going to use this folder, just for example, the SAMP folder. I'm just going to drag and drop right here on my CMD and then just hit on enter. All right, now as you can see here, we are now using the directory for SAMP. Now, say, for example, you wanted to use drive D instead of C. Well, all you have to do is just change the directory to drive D or the root directory to drive D. All right. Now, how do we do that? Just basically type in D right here. As you can see, we have D, then colon. Type in that, then just go ahead and hit on enter. Now, as you can see here, from C, we are now on the D directory. Now, what we're going to do is just go ahead and open up drive D right here. For example, we wanted to use this folder, maybe the fam folder right here. What we're going to do, again, type in cd space fam right here, drag and drop, and hit on enter. And there you have it. We are now working on the D drives directory. All right, that's basically how you do it. I have a cool trick right here. If you want to use it, go ahead and go to CMD. Then, for example, we are on C users and this username right here, right? Type in CMD, then dot dot. Notice that right here, we are currently using the RNC folder, right? Just going to go back to users. I'm going to show you. I'm going to hit on enter right here. Or again, type in CMD if you want to use the whole C drive. CD dot dot and hit on enter. Now we're using the whole C drive. All right. There's another way to use that. Another cool way, or the easiest way right here, just type in cd / and hit on enter. There you have it. Well, I hope this tutorial helps and I'll see you in the next one.